Good morning, students. Today we will study about Cyanophyceae, general characteristics of Cyanophyceae. There are about 160 genera and 1500 species in Cyanophyceae. In India, it is represented by 98 genera and 833 species. They are commonly known as blue-green algae as their principal pigment is a bluish green C phycocyanin. They contain chlorophyll A, B, beta carotene and C phycoerythrin. They differ from other algae in the absence of well organized cell organelles. The pigments are not restricted to a definite chromatophore but are distributed throughout the peripheral cytoplasm, that is chromoplasm. The nucleus is a primitive type which lack nuclear membrane and nucleolus. These characters shows typical prokaryotic nature of the member of this group. The algae do not have flagella and their movement is brought about by gliding action. On the basis of their prokaryotic structure, many microbiologists considered blue-green algae as a bacteria. Christensen in 1962, on the basis of prokaryotic cell structure of blue-green algae and bacteria, placed both them in a common phyla, Prokaryota. Blue-green algae have also been named cyanobacteria. There are many similarities between the bacteria and blue-green algae, yet they show difference in their evolution. Phycologists regard any organism with a chlorophyll A and the thallus not differentiated into root, stem and leaf to be an alga. Therefore, most of the algologists include Cyanophyceae in algae rather than in bacteria. The blue-green algae are found in a wide variety of habitats. Most of the species are freshwater. A few like the Dermocarpa are marine. Species of nostoc and oscillatoria are found in the terrestrial habitat. Some species of nostoc and anabina grow as an endophyte in the roots of cycas, leaves of azolla, and thalli of anthesceros. Species of Crococcus, Gliocarpa, Nostocytonema, and Stignonema are the main algal component of lichen. The blue-green algae growing in the organically rich permanent water form planktons. The polluted water of lake and pond exposed to intense sunlight and high temperature provide a suitable habitat for the growth of planktonic blue-green algae. They are also found on the bottom of a pond, benthos, and increase the fertility of underlying soil. General characteristics of Cyanophyta or the blue-green algae. They are unicellular in case of Crococcus, colonial in case of Gliocarpa, or form a chain of cell trichomes in Oscillatoria and Cytonema. In a colonial form, all the cells of a colony occur in a common gelatinous matrix. The cell of the colony may divide to form a definite merismopodia or indefinite or irregular assembly of cells in case of Aphanotheca. In filamentous form, a trichome surrounded by a sheath called filament. Each trichome has its own gelatinous sheath. The filaments are usually unbranched and uniseriate. Example in case of nostoc, anabina, limbia, or sometimes shows pseudo-branching as in Cytonema or Tolipothrix. Second, the cell structure is prokaryotic. They lack membrane-bound organelles and the nucleus is of incipient type. The cell wall is composed of microfibrils held together in a mucilaginous sheath. The orientation of fibrils may vary in different species and may be reticulate, example in nostoc, or long intervening parallel in limbia. It helps in slouching of parasites in retaining water, thus avoiding desiccation, particularly in those species which do not produce resting spores. The cell wall external to the plasma lemma is differentiated into four layers. It is composed of mucopeptide together with the carbohydrate, amino acids and fatty acids. The principal pigment are the chlorophyll A, C phycocyanin and C phycoerythrin, and they impart characteristic blue color to these algae. They lack membrane bound plastid. Instead, pigments are found embedded within the lamella, composed of two membrane joints at the end. These structures are known as thylakoids. They show gliding or jerking movement as flagella is absent in Synophyceae. The reserve food material is a special type of starch known as the Synophycean starch, and protein is a Synophycean granule. In some blue-green algae, nostoc, in case of Cytonema, specialized structure known as heterocysts are present. They may be terminal in case of Gliotracheae or intercalary in case of nostoc. Definite function of heterocysts is not known, but they are supposed to be the center of nitrogen fixation. Reproduction takes place by vegetative and asexual method. Sex organ, gametes and flagellated zoospores are altogether absent. However, in some example like Anabina nostoc, cylindrospermum, genetic recombination has been reported. Vegetative reproduction takes place by the cell division, fragmentation, and hormogonia. Asexual reproduction takes place by echinates, endospores, exospores, heterocysts, and nanospores. Thank you.